Introduction to blurring backgrounds in Snapseed.
Blurring backgrounds in photos is a great way to make your subject stand out and create a professional look. Snapseed, a free photo editing app available on both Android and iOS, makes it easy to achieve this effect. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the process of blurring backgrounds directly on your mobile device.
Opening and importing your photo.
Start by opening Snapseed on your device. Tap the plus icon or Open to select the photo you want to edit from your gallery. Once imported, your photo will be displayed and you'll be ready to begin editing. Make sure to choose a picture where the subject is clearly separated from the background for the best results.
Using the Lens Blur tool.
To blur the background, tap on Tools and select the Lens Blur option. This tool allows you to create a blurred effect around your subject. You'll see an adjustable circle or ellipse on your photo. The area inside the shape remains sharp, while everything outside will become blurred. You can reposition and resize this area to fit your subject.
Adjusting blur strength and shape.
Drag the white circles to change the size and shape of the blur. To increase or decrease the blur strength, swipe left or right on the screen. You can also refine the transition between the sharp and blurred areas by adjusting the feather option, making the effect appear smoother and more natural on your photo.
Finishing touches and saving your photo.
Once you're satisfied with the blur effect, tap the checkmark to apply the changes. You can make further edits if desired, then tap Export or Save to save your new image to your device. Now you have a photo with a beautifully blurred background, ready to share or use as you wish.